it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright, you guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my curly hair. If you guys have not already seen a video about this headband wig, I'm gonna leave it linked on the screen and down below in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the comments as well so you guys can check it out. But it's pretty much this headband water wave wig that I got from Unice hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my curls and how I detangle the hair and how I redefine my curls and all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so here is what the hair is looking like. I've been wearing it now for about a week without touching it up, so it still does have kind of a pretty curl pattern, but the hair is very tangled. Like, I cannot run my fingers through it anywhere. It's very detangled, especially in the nape section back here. It's quite tangled. I'm going to show you guys what the back looks like. So this is what the hair looks like after about a week of wear. It's tangled here, as you guys can see, and the hair needs to be detangled, and I'm gonna go ahead and define my curls and all of that good stuff. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to just part the hair into two and bring it to the front like this, and we're gonna start by detangling the hair first. So I'm just gonna be using a wide tooth comb. This comb I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna start off by just detangling the hair. So I'm gonna start off at the tips first and work my way up. And you definitely could have done this in smaller sections, but I like to do this in two sections because I ain't got time to be doing all of them sections, and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'm just combing the hair out, especially trying to detangle the back because it's quite tangled in the back. Now, what I love about this hair is that it's so easy to detangle. You just take your time and the hair just detangles perfectly. So I love that. So here is this section combed out. We're gonna go ahead and do this section, but here is the difference, if you guys can see. And I'll show it to you guys from the back as well, what the difference looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue detangling this side. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like fully combed out. It's very pretty. I really do love the texture of his hair. It is so soft, it detangles so easily, and the water wave texture is just a pretty curl pattern. Like, I love it so much. So now we're gonna start by defining our curls, and first thing I'm gonna need is some water. So I'm gonna be going in with my spray bottle. This spray bottle I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with water, just plain old water. If you want, you could definitely put some serum in here, hair serum or conditioner, but I'm just gonna be using plain old water. There is a little bit of water in here already, but I'm gonna go in and add some more water. So, cause this is kind of empty, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more water, and we're gonna start to spray down the hair. Okay, so I just filled this part up with some water. So I'm gonna put the spray, I'm gonna put the cover back on, and now we're going to start styling our hair. So I like to work one section at a time or one side at a time. So I just put some of this hair back, and we're gonna start working on this side of our hair. So just to show you guys the before, this is what our hair is looking like. So I'm gonna just start off with this side first. So I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and I'm just gonna start spraying down the hair. This is a continuous spray bottle, which I absolutely love for detangling your hair. Of course, any type of spray bottle could work, but I love the continuous one. So let's start by spraying down the hair. And as I'm spraying, I'm also running my fingers through it as well. And you guys will start to see the curls start to form again. Now, I'm not wetting the hair for it to drip. I'm just wetting the hair for it to be damp. And then I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and kind of scrunch the hair up a little bit. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. If you guys can see the curls starting to come back. I'm gonna scrunch it up. Like so. So here is the difference between the two sides. And now we're gonna go in and work on this side. So the hair is wet enough that it's damp, but the hair is not dripping at all. So we're not making a mess. You do not need to completely drench the hair in water. You just need to dampen it a little bit. And I'm just gonna scrunch it up. So this is what the hair is now looking like. I'm gonna show you guys from the back. The hair is nice and damp. I'm going to go in with some styling mousse. So this is the styling mousse that I like to use. It's the olive oil hold and shine wrap slash setting mousse. This is my favorite one to use, but of course you can use any type of styling mousse. So I'm gonna take a few pumps in my hand and we're going to put it in the hair, and this is just gonna help define the curls and help them to last longer. So I'm going to just put it in my hand and start to just scrunch up the hair. So I'm not going like this with the mousse in my hand. I put the mousse in my hand and I just started to scrunch the hair up. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side as well. So we just take a few pumps. You wanna have about that much mousse. Roll it up in your hand so it looks like this and just start to scrunch. And now we're gonna go in with the last and final step, which is adding some serum to help so that the hair doesn't get frizzy or anything. So the hair serum that I'm gonna be using is this one, and this is the Mane and Tail Olive Oil Complex. It's the Anti-Frizz and Shine Serum. I got this from Walmart and it was about $10. It's probably cheaper in a beauty supply store, but I ended up getting this from Walmart, and you know it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. So this is what it looks like, so you guys can see it up close and personal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this in my hand, and I'm gonna do the same motion that I did with the mousse, where I just roll it up in my hand and then I just scrunch the hair. And this is just gonna add some shine, some softness, and help that the hair doesn't frizz as it starts to dry, because the hair will start to dry and it'll get nice and poofy. Well, not too poofy, but it'll dry and the hair will get a little bit more full, because right now it's wet, so it's kind of like down. You're not gonna have all the body and volume that the hair has like it did before. So this just helps that as the hair dries, it doesn't get frizzy. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. What I like to do is just put some in the top, like so. So here is what the hair is looking like. And now we just have to wait for the hair to dry. I personally like to let my hair air dry, but of course, if you have a blow dryer with a diffuser nozzle, you could definitely put your dryer on a cool setting and dry the hair like that. But I personally like to let the hair air dry. So I'm gonna let this air dry for about 20-25 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. All right, you guys, so it's been about 25 to 30 minutes since I've let the hair air dry, and this is what the hair is looking like now. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. So this is what it's looking like. Of course, it isn't 100% dry. I would say that the hair is about 90% dry, so still has another about 10% to go. But as you can see, it's drying nicely and the curls are really nice and defined. Super pretty, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna give you guys some close-up shots. So yeah, you guys, that is how I maintain my curls and redefine my curls. Super, super easy. It's just a 3-step process and the hair comes out really, really pretty after. So yeah, I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a big, big thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Are we liking the look of the hair? Do you like your curls to be more defined? Do you like your hair to be more puffy? Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have any new suggestions for other ways I can help to define my curl, then drop those down below. Let's have a conversation. Somebody else might be looking on ways to help define their curls for their hair too. So definitely comment those down below. And if you haven't already, be sure you subscribe to my channel. We have lots more videos coming up here on this channel. So be sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any uploads. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.